Hi everyone, so this is something I'm very proud of, just want to share with you. So this is actually a system that I built yesterday. So just for context, this is an event CRM system. So this is where my clients will host all the trainings. So she's the one that kind of negotiate with other people, like with corporates, and then when they have a training, she'll find like trainers to kind of conduct the sessions. So the idea is that every time you have a training here, for example, we have this on Future Ready with AI Navigating. So on the info page, you can assign the training course, the locations, the course fee, and then the regions, and then the brochure here. So let's say you update the course fee, right? So automatically you can calculate the training profits based on the participants. So I just want to show you something that very excited to count. So this is actually a web embed platform that I built for the clients. So whatever you see in the Notion earlier, this actually flows into here. So there's a few logics here. Automatically, it will just filter out the region for you. So you have remotes, and then you have the this is a city, and then the dates as well. So automatically, if the date expires, it wouldn't show up on the website. And then there's a PDF here. You can click on it, which is directly linked to Notion. And then the things that I want to show you the most is the registration button. So you click it. So this kind of work in progress, but you can see automatically you have the names of it, and then the dates, and then the description. So I didn't put any, so don't have it. So it's like a dynamic forms that you don't have to keep on creating new ones, but also can be personalized. So if you're just gonna key in emails here, and for example, we're just gonna put some random information. Okay, the nature of business, I'm gonna just type gibberish here just to kind of speed up the time. So this is the one that I'm most excited for. So for the participants, so for the training itself, so when users they want to submit, right? Sometimes it can be the manager, they want to submit for 3 or 4 of your staff. So instead of keep submitting multiple forms, what can be done is you can actually add another participant. So you put a name here. I'm just gonna give an example here. So I don't really like this button here. Like I want to change it to a bit more smaller, I guess. So I don't know, HR, and then type out June. You can see put a mobile number here, and I put an email and a position, and next. So you can kind of review whether your submission is correct. If everything is good, you just click submit registrations. So the magic happens is that when you submit this, you automatically go to Notion. So if you see Notion here, so this is the names that we submitted, and then all the information that repetitive, like for example, the company names, so we don't have to submit multiple times. And you can see the training profits being updated as well. So you can have a rough estimations of how much you're gonna earn for this training itself. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you're seeing, please help to subscribe. Thank you very much.